Hi.
Hi.
Do you like hockey?
Do I like hockey? Hockey's cool. I've never played, but I like it.
What would your favorite team be?
Sure. Toronto Maple Leafs. There you have it.
I
I love you too.
Let's get two more questions. Two more really good questions.
I'm gonna go over to that side.
love you.
I love you too.
If you were to, like, how long are you staying in Buffalo for?
After the show, only a couple hours, and then I'm off to LA. I know. I wish I could stay longer. I'm sorry. I love you too.
All right, this is the last question.
This
We
one
need
over
a
here.
really good one.
This couple over here.
Last question. We need a really good question.
Oh my Jesus.
All right, right here in the red shirt.
How long have you been singing for?
Really? Probably 2-3 years, maybe.
That's cool.
Yeah.
I like to sing too. I also
Yeah?
play the drums like you.
Oh, awesome. Well,
Yeah.
keep it up.
Thank you.
Keep it so hard work. Yeah, thank you.
Austin.
Awesome.
Hey, Austin.
What's up?
I think everyone here loves the song What About Love?
Yeah? Oh, okay.